Hello, in this video I'm going to introduce the three and compound angle formula, right, which mainly for sine, right. The derivation, I'm not going to talk about the derivation of this compound angle formula. I will do it in another video. So for this case, we have known that sine A plus B is sine A cos B plus with cos A sine B, right? You are very familiar with this because you have learned this in your additional maths. So if this is plus, this will be plus, and if this is minus, here will be minus, right? So for cosine, for cos A plus B is a bit very different from this one, which will be cos A cos B. If this is add, this will be subtract. So it will be sine A sine B, right? So if you have negative subtract here, here will be add. So, okay, so you look at these two, right? Sine A cos B, cos A sine B. So cos A cos B, sine A sine B. So you have to be very familiar with this formula. Okay, then for the formula for tangent A plus minus B, we can generate by using these two, right? Because as you know that tangent A plus B is sine A plus minus B, right? Plus minus B over with cos, sine over cos, right? So A plus minus B, right? So then we can rewrite this whole thing as sine A plus minus B, right? Sine A plus minus B is, then we can know that it will be sine A cos B plus minus cos A sine B divided by cos A plus minus B. So which is cos A cos B negative positive sine A sine B, right? Means the tangent will be this one or this one. And this one can be further convert to everything in terms of tangent by divided by cos A cos B. I can doing this by divide up and down by cos A cos B. Means I multiply this numerator and denominator by a factor of 1 over cos A cos B, right? Just like do for all the concept of fraction. If you multiply this term, you also have to multiply the same here. So cos A cos B, right? So then I'm writing here. You can see that you can expand this inside here. You will have sine A cos B plus minus cos A sine B. Everything divided by cos A cos B, right? Cos A cos B over with cos A cos B divided by cos A cos B negative positive sine A sine B sine A sine B divided by cos A cos B, right? So then you see that you have eliminated the cos B. This one you have eliminated the eliminate the cos A, right? So you have sine A over cos A. Here you have sine B over cos B. So you know that sine over cos A will be tangent A. So plus minus, right? Plus minus, and sine over cos B, sine B over cos B, you have tangent B, right? Tangent B, and this one eliminate. So you have cos B eliminate as well. So you're getting 1 here, and this will have negative plus sine over cos, sine A over cos A. You will have tangent A, and sine B over cos B, you will have tangent B, right? So this will be the formula for tangent A plus minus B. So you have to very familiar in these three formula. All right. so that compound, and you can using this compound angle formula to generate double angle formula, factor formula, half angle formula, right? So this is a very powerful formula in trigonometry. So hope you understand these three compound angle formula. And next we're going to using this compound angle formula in proving something, in evaluate something. All right. So let's see.